This is the level that I love. I love being at this level because when you start blocking people, now you're controlling and programming the algorithm to start getting more and more people to reach your target niche. I'm sorry. And whoever your target niche is, that's why you want to start blocking people that are not in that niche. But you don't want to do it right in the beginning because you need to build people following your following what you're doing. So after you start reach that third level of the funnel, which is building your niche. Now I'm doing this. This is based off social media, guys. I'm not doing it from the business end of the brand. I'm dealing it from the social media end of the brand, just to let you know. And so once you do that, then you're starting to create different and create and curate different content for each person within that is actually part of your niche. So like for me, I do happiness, health, and wealth. I create content and curate content around happiness. So like this morning, I started refurbishing and curating some videos that of the different marketplaces, showing people, hey, these are some of the things that you can do during the daytime. Also, I do content around health, meaning I share some of the doctors that I'm learning under, and I also share some of the things that I've actually done and learned for myself.